I first came to see Dr. Jason at Genesis Chiropractic for upper cervical care because I'd had problems with my neck and my arm and my back, just having a lot of pain. I wasn't able to sit comfortably for long periods of time. I was very fidgety. I had been having problems with my back and my neck since I had a car accident when I was 17. I got hit by a car while I was standing by the side of the road, and the accident kind of hit my head and my neck, and so I had a lot of pain and discomfort. It broke my collarbone, but the rest of it was just kind of trauma injury from the impact. And the doctor at the time and since then had said that there was really nothing I was going to do. I was going to feel achy and arthritic my whole life. I just have to deal with it, take some Tylenol, and don't complain. The approach to the care at Genesis Chiropractic is different because it's more based on things that make sense to me. The way that Dr. Jason explains the treatment is very based in reality and things that I can understand. You know, if your head's not on straight and your brainstem is what controls the nerve functions in your body, and that's pinched or twisted somehow, then your nerves aren't connecting with all the parts of your body. And I could really feel that and tell that difference after the first adjustment, because the whole left side of my body, it just felt like there was a release of pressure. The changes that I've noticed have been fairly dramatic to me. They might seem kind of minor to other people, but when you deal with something day in and day out, when something changes, it's kind of like, wow. One of the big problems that I'd always had was my left ear. I just couldn't hear out of it very well, and it just kept getting worse and worse, and that causes a lot of stress at home with my husband. After the first adjustment, I went home, and one of the first things that I noticed was there was the ceiling fan, and I actually heard it for the first time. I had never heard it make a noise before, and so I started being able to hear better. I think other people could benefit from the upper cervical approach because it helps to keep your body straight and aligned, and you can feel a difference. Being able to kind of keep your head on straight, keep it in the right place, really makes a big difference in how energetic you feel, how comfortable you feel just day to day, and how many things that you can do and accomplish. So I definitely think other people could benefit from this, especially if they've had trouble with their neck or their back, or trying to stay up straight all day long. The thing that made the upper cervical care make sense is because it was in relation to the whole body and how that got treated. It wasn't just popping things back into place, but it was about why those vertebrae need to change positions and what that allows your body to do and what you're trying to accomplish, because the end result isn't that you are adjusted. The end result is that you're adjusted so that your body can work to heal itself.